will show you how to edit your video using the CapCut app on your MacBook or maybe laptop. So this video will be pretty helpful for you. So the first step, just to open CapCut. Now create a new project by clicking Start Creating right up here. The next step we need to do is just to import our video. Click on the import button right up here and then choose the necessary one. So our video will appear in the import area, and now all we need is just to drag it on our timeline. So here we can see our video. We can open it into full size, or we can just change the size, the format. But today I will show you how to split, how to delete unnecessary parts. So the first step, we need just to, if you want to delete something, so you need to find the part you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this part to this part. So the first step is just to find the first moment and then click on split, and then find the other moment, so for example this one, and then click on split once more. And now all we need is just to select our video moment and then click on delete. So now our video looks like that. So as you can see, the image changed so fast. If you want to add some special effects or transitions, we just need to go to transition settings right up here and then choose the necessary one. There are a lot of options. So the bubble blur, for example, just drag it right up here and now it looks like that. We can also change the time of the transition by using this option. So now it looks a little bit slower. You can also try the other options. The next step we can do is just to add some text. Then go to text settings right up here. Click on drag it into your timeline. And now all we need just to click on the text on the timeline and input something. So now we can change different options, change the text style or something like that, change its size, change the position, and another different options, change the font. So all you need just to try it by yourself and practice for a little. Change the alignment and a lot of other options right up here. We can also add the filter on our video. So go to filters, and here we can see different topics. I would like to open nature to download the first one, and now just breaking into mine. So now it looks a little bit different, as you can see. We can also add some effects like broken photo. Now it looks like that. I don't want it, so I would like to undo this step, just clicking on this button. We can also add some audio. There are a lot of different options by the app, but you can also import your audio. We can also add the video upper than our video, so now it looks like that. But I don't want to do this. So as you can see, there are a lot of different options. And now all we need is just to click on the export to export our project, just like that. Here we can see the different settings. We can change something, change the resolution, change the codec, change the format, change the frame rate. I won't do this. So that's all, I think. Guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please write your comment, like this video, and subscribe. Goodbye.